Okay. Hope you guys enjoy the upcoming clips from from this week's Holly and Fleur comedy show. Might have to get that checked.
That was good.
Bird poo. Do we
No.
still?
No, it's like.
You can hear that hawk in the background. It's a big hawk.
It's real.
And it's circling. There's 3 of them. We think there's a territorial dispute going on. But about all 3 of them have been circling here for a while. We might try to clip in a little bit of that to show you what that looks like. But this camera only makes them look like little tiny dots. So we'll see what we get. Anyways, thanks for watching this clip. Please like, subscribe, share with all your friends, and click that link to watch the full show. See you next week.
It's raining.
This week's Holly. No, I have no idea why. Enjoy the upcoming. The other one go.
It's not here.
Okay, it's from this week. Leave my hand. It's from. Lips from. Gosh dang.
I can't figure out why they go down there.
I don't know.